Okay, welcome back everybody. Before I kick this video off, just wanted to say the shirts that I've been wearing in my recent videos, I don't know, 1 or 2 recent videos, are now live and available to be bought. Guys, follow this link to get to my Teespring account, and all the shirts will be there. We've got multiple different shirts for guys and for girls, and we've got some stickers. We've got a classic tee, we've got a comfort tee, which are these, which are very, very comfortable. The classic is just a, a standard shirt. It's like a Hanes tagless shirt, which is still really comfortable. These, I love them. Like I said, these are the comfort tees, and we've got a premium tee, and then we've got a tri-blend tee, which is, I believe, it's a mixture of like cotton and some other fibers, which is just really, really soft. The only thing I changed on them was that the fish on the back is just a tad bit more detailed. I thought, hey, I mean, it looks good, but I'm gonna put a little bit more detail into the fish. Now that's on the new shirts that you guys can get. So we've got tank tops, we've got normal t-shirts for guys and girls, like I said, and then we got some stickers. Guys, once again, follow that link right there to get to that page. I don't know if I can put it in my description because YouTube, just put it at that. Just type that URL in and you should be right there, honestly. I'm super stoked on how these turned out. I really like them. Like I said, I'm rocking the comfort tee, which is just super, super comfortable. But yeah, enough about that. Next thing I wanted to talk about real quick is, guys, if you can, go pick up a copy of Midwest Outdoors, little outdoors newspaper that my buddy Frank Rotz, I will leave his link. He has a YouTube. I'll leave it in the description below. He's a writer, and we were fortunate enough to get an article on page 29 about float tubing. Him and I were talking, and he was asking me some questions about float tubing, and he said he was gonna try to get into this newspaper and kind of teach. There it is right there. Really, really cool. Go give his channel a subscribe if you're not subscribed to it, and go pick yourself up a copy of Midwest Outdoors. Ladies and gentlemen, you will not be mad that you did. So without further ado, let's get into this video, which is just absolutely all over the place. I'm not gonna lie, I apologize for it. But it should be an all right video, I think. So guys, I will catch you back in the studio after the video. Enjoy. Let's get into the video. Let's go fishing. Welcome back. Doing kayak fishing. Gonna throw a lot of frogs. When that bite slows down for the bass, we're gonna see if we can't get some big gills, maybe some either ones. Should be a fun day. We got out here early. It's supposed to get hot. Well, not hot, but like 85. But it should be a nice day. It should be a good day. So stay tuned. We're gonna get some bass and we're gonna get some gills. So finish loading up this kayak. Son of a gun, he hit it as soon as it hit the water, dude. He hit it as soon as it hit the water. Got wrapped around all those lily pads. I got light line on this thing. I got 10 on this swim jig when I really should be throwing like, I mean, I should be throwing like 15. I mean, he hit it as soon as it hit the water. Oh my God. I broke my rod. I fucking broke this bitch, dude. What? A ZX. Just fucking snapped it like a twig. That's very unfortunate.
What do you have on it?
Swim jig. This is my favorite rod that I had. Favorite rod.
Next time for our gear guard?
I know exactly what happened too.
What?
When that bass bit it, he came off and that swim jig flew and hit my rod, like really fucking hard right there.
You cracked it?
And it probably cracked it somewhere, and then I just casted that swim jig and it just snapped it. Yep, that's really shitty. Well, no more of that, I guess. Alright, so had a couple blow-ups on the frogs, but they don't seem to be really committing so much to topwater, at least on this spot. So I switched to a Tokyo rig. I'm gonna punch through these mats, or these lily pads, and I'm gonna flip this tree with it too. And we'll see if they want that.
A lot of weeds?
Whole lot of weeds.
Yeah. Oh, beautiful.
This bottom is probably just the softest, weediest thing you've ever seen. Kind of switched it up. Now we're going for gills because the bass are being, well, the bass are being asses. So that's caught a gill, slip bobber rig. I think this is the first time I've ever done bluegill fishing on this channel.
Probably your last too.
Oh, that's not true. We went ice fishing. Forgot
Ice
it.
fishing, though.
Yeah, I guess.
This is open water.
I guess open water is the first open water bluegill fishing I've done. He had it the whole time. Smack. And there goes the waxy. I'm using a non-traditional way. I've got a little ice jig, little trailer on the back, and then I've got a little split shot. Look at that guy. Little split shot. I don't know how heavy this thing is, but ooh, he took it. He took it under and I missed him. He took it right under. No, I got him. Never mind. Little guy. Like a bluegill color or black and blue.
I got kind of a purplish color because they didn't have the black and blue.
That should work. That should get her done. It's probably the weirdest way I've ever sat in a kayak, I'm not gonna lie.
You're right. I'm pretty sure it went late.
There we go. Finally. Oh, he's pulling me in with him. Get in here. Get in here. Get. Son of a gun. Bass do exist in here. Jesus. That took so long, dude. They're in the open pockets, so bass do exist in here. We've been fishing for like 3-4 hours with one blow up all day. It's all one bust up there. Can you just stay? Honestly, we've been fishing for gills.
Wait, that sounds pretty productive though.
Yeah, got some good gills, but finally a bass decides to eat. I'm gonna let him go in this disgusting ass water. Look at this. It's disgusting. It's nasty, man. Jeez, fired up. He was murking like bluegill or something, dude. It had to be. Dunked my reel in the water and now look at it. Got him? Got him, dude. Got him. Ooh, that's a good one. Ah. I got you. On the swim bait, I told you, dude. Or the swim jig. I told you he would mark it. There we go. Finally piecing some shit together. Get him. Get him, grab him. That's a good one, dude. That's a solid 2.5. There we go. We might have figured something out here, boys. I got you. You saw how when I started reeling them in, I started just zipping towards them. Kayaks move, dude. They move. What the? No, there's just like a knot in here that I'm not seeing. Right in front of your boat, something just... You didn't see that? How did you not see that or hear that? I just saw a wake like right at your boat. This now. Find somewhere open pockets. Oh my goodness. Alright, I'm gonna need to tighten that spool.
Good on spinning. Like spider wire comes off real smooth on spinning.
About done with that, not gonna lie. This reel is done. I am having some issues. Yeah, there's something wrong with this like braid right now. I don't know what it is, but it's like I'm backlashing on every cast, dude. Welcome back to the studio, everybody. Hope you enjoyed today's kind of all over the place video, like I've been saying. Focus. I mean, it's always fun to get the axe out, honestly, and it's always fun to catch some fish. Even though I didn't catch a lot of fish, still caught fish, which is kind of, well, it's kind of the plan. Let's go out there and catch fish. But anyways, like I said before, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. One more time, check out the merch at that link right there. Type that in word for word, and you will be to my page. Support the fam. It'd be muchly appreciated. And you know, we're gaining subscribers, and I don't know if I said it, I think I did, but we're gonna do another giveaway at 500. So just keep sharing the video, telling your friends to subscribe, and we will get there in no time. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe down below, hit the bell notification. You already know how it goes, and I will catch you guys on the next episode of Southside Fishing. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate the view, and see you guys later.